This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 78 of building the Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. We're going to put some bits together this time round. We're going to more engine work. We've got the parts from the last few issues, and we're going to be adding to them. First of all, though, of course, we're going to be putting this tube together. Pushes together. No need for any screws for that. We've only got one bag of 3 screws, so we're only going to be using 2 screws for the looks of this. That goes in there, and that goes into the corner at the top there. Again, with a flat side, so it has to go one way round, and that way round is just like that. Then we've got to put these 2 bits together. Again, another flat side, so get that the right way round on there. There. Go, that's that together. Nice. That then goes on to this from last time. So there, like that, and we need a PSO5 screw to hold that together. One from last time. I'm going to use that one from last time. I'm probably going to have to open it for the other one anyway. I don't think we had a PSO5. We did have another PSO5 there, so I can throw that away and keep that unopened. Always nice to have unopened ones if you don't need to open them. So that will go on there, and that screw will go in there. Like that. Then this will go onto the front of that. Right way round, that's that, and that's that. Goes on there like that. And they line up with those. Good. It's all going together. That then goes onto the front of that. Way round. Coming this way by the looks of it. That way round like that, and that will be where our final screw goes through. All rubbish. We'll go all the way through there to my fan. Like that. So yes, there we go. It didn't join up how I expected it to join up at all, although it might go on that way round. Got to be that way round. It's that size, isn't it? I'll put it together like that for now anyway. Where's that going to join up to then? Don't know, there's probably another bit that goes on the top there. But for now, I shall put that aside because that is the end of this month's pack, this month's delivery. We've already looked through the magazine, so none of that to do either. That's that. Thank you for watching. Stick around for another episode of this in probably about 4 weeks' time. But there'll be other part works before then, so hopefully you'll enjoy something else in there. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now. You